Hi guys, it's Jody from Flying Fortress RC. Hope you're all doing good. Wanted to do a real quick video here. I already did a video about this helicopter, and last night I found out that there was a Whirlybirds Group Build going on, hosted by Bryan over at BG's Model Workshop. And it's already started May 27th through September 4th, 2023. So I am going to throw this into the ring. It's kind of fun when you get a kit and then you got something, you can do a group build with. I don't know, it just kind of seems like the group builds to me kind of hold you a little more to getting this stuff done, instead of just starting it and putting it back in the box and throwing it back in the stash. Kind of seems to me that, it kind of helps me to actually, finish a kit when I start it. And I've only done just a few group builds, so this is all pretty much new to me anyways. But yeah, but this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna throw this in to Bryan's Whirlybird Group Build, and we'll go from there. Already started a little bit last night, and yeah, it's gonna be a fun kit. So hope you're all doing good, guys, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.